hooray, it's New Year's Day, the day we start anew. So this year I've decided to become a kangaroo. Or maybe I will learn to fly, or how to walk through walls, or how to turn invisible, or surf on waterfalls. I'll make myself elastic, and I'll teach myself to shrink. I'll turn into a liquid, and I'll pour me down the sink.
Have you ever had the feeling that everything is possible? I'm sure that this year will bring you Happy New Year!
Happy New Year to you, and since the new year done, may the next year be even better, full of pleasure, joy and fun.
I got so many wondrous play, I started crying away. Yes, this will be the best year yet. Hooray, it's a New Year's Day.
I visit other planets and meet aliens go. I travel the distant past and ride a dinosaur.
Old year is coming to an end. We give warm welcomes and never all your worries will also end. Wishing you Happy New Year.
New Year Day, let us sing and let us play. Father Frost, bring many toys for little girls and little boys.